Okay, here we are up to full operating temperature. A couple revs on her there. Let's go see what the engine sounds like here. Okay, there it is. I hear it's a little more clattery in the lifter there. Idle seems to be pretty good, but I'm just wondering, is that normal to have it clacking like that a little bit, or am I just being a worrywart here? So now it seems to run really good. I like it a lot. Here, let me give it a couple burps, see what happens here. It seems sometimes that lifter's a little louder, but that's about as quiet as it seems to get. So you tell me, is that right for this kind of cam, or do I need to replace some lifters or do something? Anyway, thanks for your help. We're out of here. Gotta go to work.